Hey guys, welcome back. In case you missed yesterday's episode, I stripped it, and yeah, I'll just show the video to you. Here's a little recap for you. I don't think I'll be using Anakin's lightsaber anytime soon, or never. I stripped it. So this is Anakin Episode 3 Revenge of the Sith, and apparently I stripped this sucker right there, right at the end. Apparently upon plugging it in, make sure it's seated all the way, and then twist. Don't twist. Don't twist it without seating it in all the way. I don't know if I can get like a tiny pliers or something and maybe move it back, and maybe I'll get lucky, but I don't know. It's just not. I plugged it in and then twist, and I ended up stripping it. So don't do that with your saber, or you'll have a lightsaber like mine, and it'll be just. I guess I'll just use it as a stand. Okay, I went searching all over the house, found the smallest possible screwdriver I could find. There's nothing. No, by looking at it, it's actually still pretty bad. It's to the point where it's actually shoved all the way in the back. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure you guys can tell which one's the bad one. I'm trying to fix it manually. Screwdriver doesn't work. I tried using a flathead. Might need to find a better flathead. Got a smaller screwdriver right here, but even that's too large. So, I don't know. Let me just eyeball it here. Looks like it's bent, and if I bend it back to the right direction, it may work. I mean, I'd hate to purchase another one, just to get back this one and lost. I mean, that was $300. $300 for this, and barely last a week. So that sucks. These tweezers are really tiny, so I think this might actually work. Apparently it's bent. You can see it's bent. It's facing this way, kinda, right there. The others are lined up against the wall. This one's actually sticking out. That's what I got lined up. So hopefully it's not perfect. Looks a little bit better. Well, it looks a little wonky, but try to straighten it. I'm going to straighten it just a bit more, and I'm going to plug it into the saber, and hopefully it turns on, and at least runs. So that's my main concern. I just got to be careful from now on is all. The speaker's fine, charged it, charging it is fine. It's just this portion. So we're going to just try plugging it in and see what happens. Okay. Make sure it's lined up, make sure it's seated in all the way, and then start screwing it. Don't want to end up screwing it and then stripping it again. That's a big no-no. So, line it up. So it was on the upper top. Oh, yeah, I see that. I see. So it was on the upper top. Apparently this piece is not straight. Apparently it got stripped. So yeah, it's a little electronic piece. It's a little warped on the top there. Hopefully that shouldn't bother it, but okay. It's charged. How did I do it last time? What, like this? Okay, we'll take another quick look. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Might just need to push it back just a hair. Just a hair. If anything, it's the piece in here. It's warped a bit, so I'm gonna have to straighten that. So clumsy. Of course, I have to end up stripping it. It makes it so difficult to straighten. I mean, all I can do is try. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Then okay, here's this. If it doesn't work, this video does not come out. This video won't exist. If it does work, that means this video is on YouTube because it worked. Well, that's as straight as it's ever gonna get. I mean, might be able to push it just a tad more, but it's not fully 90 degrees. But if you eyeball it quick, looks like it's at 90 degrees. I mean, it has to be facing straight up.
Power on.
Yo, this video works! Yes, the video is posted because it works. Okay. Make sure that it is seated in all the way. Make sure you screw it, but be careful because you don't want to end up stripping it. I just saved myself another $300 by doing it yourself. I straightened the electronic pieces by using really good tweezers. So because of that, I now have a working lightsaber. And all it took was like 30 minutes and probably another 20 minutes to edit this. So to be honest, if you do end up stripping it, but I don't recommend do not strip it, but if you do end up stripping it, you can do it yourself and fix it yourself. It turns on, but it's not turning off. Hold on. Might have to extend this video on to another episode. This is fun. I didn't know I was gonna upload like all the time anymore. It's like I actually have more time to upload videos for you guys. So the video is posted. This video is posted. Like I said earlier, if it didn't work, then this video won't be posted. But if it does work, it will be posted. Now turning it on was simple. It works. It runs. It runs. Downside. It doesn't turn off. You're supposed to hit the bottom button 3 times fast, or 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It should turn itself off. It's not turning off. Oh, that's loud. Okay, removing the battery turned out to be a lot easier than I thought. It's not going to do anything. Right, here's the battery. Now I think it probably just needs a quick reset. By doing that, you just take out the battery, look at it, make sure the positive and negative line up. The circuitry looks good. There's a couple here and there. And then we plug it back in.
Power up.
Okay, I think I might have fixed it. Okay, this video's been going on long enough, but I screwed it back in. Hopefully I can turn it on and then turn it back off. That's all I want to know. Turning it on now. What in the world? Jeez. Okay, it wasn't seated in all the way.
Power on.
There we go. There we go. Let's fucking... The bottom button's not working. Come on. Barely had this a week and now the button... I'll have to do another video. This video's going on way too long. Longer than I thought. Screw it. I have to figure it out another point. I don't have enough time to monkey around with this all day. But I might do another video to do a little, I don't know, little catch up with you. But the volume works. I straightened the screws. I stripped it, but I fixed it. Now I just got to figure out what's wrong with the button. Why can't I turn it off? I can turn it on. I can't turn it off, and I can't access its features either. So. See, I'm pushing the top, bottom, and bottom button, and it's turning on. The bottom button's not working, so I don't know. I'd hate to purchase another one, but if it doesn't work, I could just use it for a display. See you later.